Hey guys, and welcome to another 8th grade math video. Today's lesson is going to be about 4.3. Unit 4 is called Graphing and Writing Linear Equations, and 4.3 is called Graphing Proportional Relationships. So let's get started. Let's first read this problem. It says the cost y in dollars, so y is dollars, and x ounces, so x is ounces, of frozen yogurt is represented by y equals 0.5x. So that's the equation. So they want us to graph and interpret the slope. So what we first want to do is we want to graph that equation, and we've done this in multiple videos and we already know how to do it. We can say that x is 0, and then we have the point 0, 0, like labeled on here, and then we can do 2, and then x is 2, y is 1, and then we make a line, just like shown in that example. So we get that same line, and then we want to interpret the slope. So basically what that's asking is that how much does it cost for 1 ounce? How much per ounce? Well, we can look at this and it's 50 cents per ounce. Like this diagram says that it's 50 cents per ounce. So we know that. So now let's try this what if. What if the cost of frozen yogurt is represented by this? Graph the equation and interpret the slope. So now I want you to do that. And pause the video here to solve the problem. Starting now.
Shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons.
All right, and hopefully you've solved the problem. If the cost of yogurt is represented by that, then it's simple. The first point will still be 0, 0, but this time the second point, the first point will be 0.75. We can't really represent that. We have to get a number which will equal that amount. And then 0.75 times 2 is going to be 0.75 times 2, 10, 15, 1.5. 1.5. So we're going to have 1.5 at the 2 mark. So the line's going to be a little steeper. It's going to look something around that. So you should have something around that plotted on your graph. Now, next we move on to writing and using an equation. The weight of y, an object on Titan, one of Saturn moon, is proportional to the weight of x on Earth. So an object that weighs 105 pounds on Earth will weigh 15 pounds on Titan. So how are we going to do that? Well, we first take our equation. Our equation is always going to be y equals mx. Y and x are the points, and then m is going to be the slope. In this case, so since 15 pounds on Titan, y is an object on Titan, so 15 over there, and then 105 on Earth, and then x is for Earth, so we put 105 over there. Then we divide both sides by 105 to get, we divide 105 by 5 to get 1/7 equals m. So our equation will be y equals 1/7 x. So how much would a chunk of ice weigh? That 3.5. So we know that we can plug in that for y, since we know that Titan is y. And then we just solve the equation just like that to get 24.5. So pretty easy. So now how much would a spacecraft that weighs 3,500 kilograms on Earth weigh on Titan? Pause the video here to solve it. All right, hopefully you have solved it because now I'm going to solve it. So basically, how we would do this is we would take our equation and then we would have the y equals 1/7 times 3500. So 17 times 3 times 3500, 3500. Okay, I'm going to use a calculator now. 3500 divided by 7 equals 500. So our answer is going to be 500. So why? It will weigh 500 pounds on Titan. So now do this self-assessment. I'll take this little box out of here and do that self-assessment and pause the video here to do that self-assessment on the side. Okay, and I'm going to solve it. So to graph the equation, I'm going to graph it on this frozen yogurt chart. So y equals 4x. The first point would always be 0, 0. And then the second point would be 1, 4. So it would be like up there. So the slope would go like way high up there. On your graph, it might look different. Y equals negative 3x, 0, 0. Then we would have 1, negative 3. So it would be going like down. It would be a down slope. And then for that one, y equals 8x. It's going to be 0, 0. And then if x is 1, then y will be 8. So it's going to be like all the way up here or something. Because this frozen yogurt chart is pretty small, so. Okay, you probably saw my face in there for a second. Anyways. And then writing and using an equation, you didn't have to do that part. But I can read it. The number of y objects, x minutes, the machine. Write an equation, yeah, so you didn't have to do that if you did it. That's cool. Extra credit or praise yourself. You did it. But I'm not going to be reviewing that. So hopefully you understand 4.3 more now. And I hope you guys liked the video. Also, as you can see, I'm recording this on my computer and not on my phone. So if you put a like, every like means that you want me to record videos on my computer and not on my phone. Every dislike means that you don't like me recording it on my computer and you want me to record it on my phone. And it's totally fine to leave a dislike if you really want me to record it on my phone. And for an X8 math video, I'll count those up, and whichever one got more votes, I will be putting. So don't forget to like if you want to, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get notifications. And I will see you guys later.